blues, pinks, greens, greys, yellows, browns, and black. We are meant to live in colour. Colour has meaning. Colour changes our mood. Colour exalts a living space with beauty, emotion, and story. We can remake our world, but we cannot change our reaction to colour. That's why Rockfon is bringing the most powerful colours of nature indoors, inspired by the latest colour trends with the 34 colours of well-being. Blue, the colour of peace, dignity, infinity. It's the refreshing downpour from on high, the depths of an ocean wave. Blue lowers our blood pressure, steadies our breathing. Blue combined with black is the perfect juxtaposition of nature and technology. Pink, the colour of softness, compassion, hope. It is the fleeting blossom of the cherry, the sweeping formations of ancient rock. Pink takes the fiery passion of red and tames it with the purity of white, giving us the colour of comfort. Pink creates a calm enclosure, letting us retreat from the uncertainty of the modern world. Brown, the colour of earth, home, relaxation. It is a soothing cup of hot coffee, the shifting sand dunes over time. Brown can increase sleep and boost our mood. Brown, together with grey, evokes the principles of wabi-sabi, a celebration of simplicity and life's beautiful imperfection. Green, the colour of nature, growth, rebirth. It is the magic depths of a wild forest, the verdant tears of a rice plantation. Green enhances creativity. We gravitate to green because it evokes a biophilic awareness that reconnects us with nature. We are meant to live in colour. To bring well-being to interior design, Rockfon looks no further than the breathtaking palette of nature. Explore the colours of well-being and reimagine your acoustic ceiling.